Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Do you like chocolate cookies and Nutella? Well, today's recipe is just that. Chocolate cookies with a Nutella filling that is out of this world. And simple ingredients, so check it out. I got flour, vanilla extract, some cocoa powder, butter, Nutella, granulated sugar, brown sugar, eggs, and then here I have cornstarch, salt, and baking soda. So simple ingredients and delicious cookies. First, we're going to scoop 1 tablespoon of Nutella onto a parchment paper, and I made like 15 of them. And what happens is, initially, if it's too runny, you may want to put it in the fridge for a few minutes, and then you can scoop it out better so it doesn't run over. And once you have all the scoops, you put them in the freezer for about an hour until they're completely frozen. Now, in a medium bowl, we're going to mix together the flour, the cornstarch, the cocoa, the baking soda, and the salt, just briefly until it's mixed. Now, in a separate bowl, we're going to combine the butter, the granulated sugar, and the brown sugar. Now we're gonna add the wet mixture to the dry, and we're going to mix it until we're fully combined. Now we're going to scoop a tablespoon of the dough into the hand, kind of flatten it. We'll put one of the frozen Nutella balls in it, and then we'll cover the sides, making sure that the Nutella is fully covered. And then we'll roll it into a ball, and we place it on the parched line cookie sheet until we have them all done. So I'm going to bake 6 at a time because they're kind of big cookies. And I'm going to put them in a preheated 350 oven, and I'm going to bake them for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, I check, and if there's no shininess on the top, then they're ready. Then I would take them out, let them cool for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to take them onto a cooling rack so that they finish cooling. And here we have our first batch, just came out of the oven. Looks really nice. I can see where the Nutella is. So I can wait to eat one and see how gooey these chocolate Nutella cookies are. And here we have our chocolate cookies with Nutella filling, nice and gooey. It looks delicious. I can't wait to try them. I haven't tried them yet, and they look lovely. I hope you like this recipe. Try it making these cookies. Thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!